Good day guys, welcome to my channel. On this video today I will be showing you how to add support to your model, or to define the node constraint of your model or your 2D frame. On our previous video I demonstrated how to add the node or define the node coordinate, and adding the elements or the members of the 2D frame. This one will be focused on how to add the support or define the node constraint. And to do so, we got two options: either clicking on the toolbar button support, or on the input menu drop down you select support, and then after clicking the support, this dialog box will pop up with the different type of support. We got the fixed support, pin support, and we got the simple support 1 and simple support 2. The difference between the simple support 1 and simple support 2 is that for simple support 1, the Y degree of freedom is restrained, and for simple support 2, the X degree of freedom is restrained. Okay, so to add a support, you simply select which one of these and click add support, and select the node where you want to add this support, and after clicking, your support is added. And you can also do the same for you choose other support and click add it, and you close. As you can see, if you come here, so this is node 1. If you click on node 1, it will tells you it's fixed, and if you go on node 4, it will tell you pinned, this pin support, and the other one will shows you like free because it's not restrained. And you can also see the coordinate value. So that's it. This is how you add your support to your model in RKANALYSIS. Thank you for watching, guys.